Alright guys, almost after a month later, I can finally unbox my vinyl record, Ensiferum's brand new album, Winter Storm. So this album got released on the 19th of October, and yesterday, I finally got my pre-order. Ridiculous. Metal Blade Records, I don't know why it just takes forever for Metal Blade Records to arrive in Australia, or I don't know if it's just my local record store guy. Who knows, but it's here and we're gonna do the unboxing. All right, let's get rid of the shrink packaging. So on the packaging it says frost, so I'm guessing the vinyl record has some sort of a frost feature, and we'll just go ahead and look at that. All right, let's get rid of it. And for the in-depth review of this album, I will leave the link at the end of this video. All right, let's see what's inside this. It's a single vinyl record version. The vinyl record comes in a white lined sleeve. It is good. There's plastic inside. And I'll give you guys a closer look. Oh, it comes with a digital download code as well. So, all right. Metal Blade Records, you have redeemed yourself. Okay, I'll give you guys a closer look of this in a sec. Let's look at the booklet. Here's a quick overview, and I'll give you guys a closer look of this in a second. Okay, so it's pretty good artwork, graphics. Love the band photo right in the middle. Very cool. And as I mentioned in my original review of this album is just fantastic. This is Ensiferum in form and kicking butt. Really fantastic album. I'm still in love with the song The Howl. I mean, every single song on this album is just fantastic. And I'm glad they did not really do any of the cover stuff or any kind of the funny, jokey song. I'm glad they kept everything serious. And how amazing is this album artwork. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.